ladder, secure the base. Roof team, ladders up, tail section, start scaffold.
Okay, keep those picks moving. Fast, guys, fast. Clear the struts. Watch out for falling ice. We're almost there. Keep it moving. Hup, hup. Almost there. Crack it open.
Keep it moving. Haul on that winch. Push it here. Watch out, coming through. Sort the wiring. Pile's getting big.
Lift it, lift it. Keep cutting, keep cutting. Check the alignment, check it. Chain secured, lifting now.
Keep it steady. Guide it in. Perfect alignment. Torque it down.
All right, frame up, hold it there. Impact driver ready, fasten the sides. Sealant's on, keep it moving. Glass panel now, carefully. Locked. Next one, fast. Fast. Done, look at that.
Ladder team, move to sector 5. Roof team, adjust position on the fuselage. Ground crew, bring the drums to the undercarriage. Keep it smooth. Covering here. Drums empty. Reloading. Keep sanding that starboard side. Primer applied. Move forward. Grab those supplies. Bring them up here. Faster, faster.
Keep it steady. Cover that spot. Check the pressure. Looks good. Moving down. Keep the arc steady. Move it down slowly. Check the overlap here. Loaded and ready. Check. Check. Let's do it. Insulation. Clear. Studs. Coming through. Lights here.
Panel up. Align left. Drive right. Next. Moving. Ready. Push. Okay, looks like it's all hooked up. Switching to daylight mode. Check the night setting, see how it looks. Perfect, we're ready for the furniture. Leather roll. Walnut cabinetry. Tempered glass. Luxury mattress.
Almost done. Looks good. Give it a wipe. Perfect, it's done.
Console secured. Lifting display. Cables routed. Powering on. Table is clear. Done with the stove. Touchscreen confirmed. Seats are spotless. All systems go.
Hooks are in. Ready to lift. Clear the way. Coming up slowly. Watch the wind. Keep it steady. Just a little more. You've got it. Line it up. Right, right. Hold. Pins engaged. Lower slightly.
Tightening sequence initiated.
Lock it down. Locked. Next.